Welcome to Matuto Dapat YouTube channel, where math and Bible lessons were discussed. Don't forget to subscribe, like, write the comments, and share. And don't forget to push the bell button for notification. Our lesson for today is about implicit differentiation in differential calculus subject. Again, this is your Professor Engineer Eduardo Tapia. In the example of y equals x squared plus 4x is said to be an explicit function of x. Ibig sabihin, nakita po natin, no, ang y natin kasi isosolve natin siya in terms of x. Malinaw lang na on the right side of the equation ay puro x value lang, x variable lang ang nandito. Now, on the other hand, implicit function of x, if y is a function of x but not expressed explicitly in terms of x. Dito kasi sa una, yung y equals x squared plus 4x, kita natin, yung y ay talagang naka-base lang, no? Solve natin ang y, talagang naka-base lang doon sa x. Pero kapag mayroong hindi malinaw na equation which is ang y ay hindi na define according to based on x, so tawag natin doon ay implicit function. Below are the examples of implicit function y in terms of x. So we have here different equations wherein y is not directly in the explicit function of x. Again, so although some of the equation can be converted into an explicit function, like for example in equation 3, itong equation 3, which is y squared equals 3x minus x squared, an implicit function, and the equivalent explicit function is y equals square root of x cubed minus 3x. Okay? So, ang given dito, itong equation 3 ay implicit function. Okay? Pero kung we have to solve y in terms of x explicitly, so ito ang magiging itsura. Okay? And the equation 4, which is an implicit function x squared plus y squared equals 25, can be transformed to y equals square root of 25 minus x squared. However, there are implicit functions which are quite difficult and to convert to the corresponding explicit function. Okay? So, in this case, we have to find the derivative of the implicit function. Find dy dx of x squared plus 2x minus y squared equals 0. So, our equation now is in the implicit function form. Okay? So, gagawin natin, we have to find the derivative with respect to x. So, na x squared, ang derivative natin ay 2x plus 2xy. Ang xy natin is a product rule. So, labas natin yung constant 2. Then, alam natin the derivative ng product rule ay, let's say, ang u natin ay yung x, ang v natin is y. So, we have x times the derivative of y, which is y prime, plus y times the derivative ng x is 1. Okay, kasi dx over dx ay naging 1 minus derivative ng ito y squared minus 2y times the derivative ng y is y prime is equal to 0. Okay? So, next, 2x plus 2x y prime plus 2y. No, ito, distribute natin yung 2 sa loob. So, naging 2y minus 2y y prime equals 0. Now, combine like terms natin, kukumbine natin yung may y prime Kaya nagiging, tapos factor natin, so 2y prime times x minus y. Tapos, itong walang y prime, ilipat natin doon sa kabilang side, kaya naging negative 2x. Tapos itong positive 2y, so naging negative 2y. Okay? So, therefore, y prime, divide natin ng 2 times x minus y both sides. So, magiging y prime equals negative 2x plus y divided by 2 times the quantity x minus y. Ang 2 ma-cancel natin. So, ang mangyayari ngayon ay our dy dx ay negative x plus y over x minus y. So, that is our final answer. Number 2, find dy dx of y cube equals x cube plus 6x squared minus 10. Okay? So, implicit function pa rin ito siya. Kasi y is not directly, actually pwede naman natin isang isolve dito explicitly, no? Kaya lang ang ating y is naka y cube, okay? So the function or our equation, so ang derivative ng y cube in terms of x, so that is 3y squared y prime, okay? Kasi that is 3y squared tapos yung derivative ng y, so magiging dy dx, so that's y prime is equal to ito, x cube magiging 3x squared plus itong 6x squared magiging 12x minus 10. Ang 10 derivative ng 10 ay 0. Okay? So, divide 3y squared both sides. Kaya y prime equals 3x squared plus 12x, okay, over 3y squared. So, kapag i-factor out natin itong 3, so naging 3 times x squared plus 4x over 3y squared. So, cancel po natin. No, maka-cancel po natin itong ating 3 at saka yung 3 sa baba. Kaya, ang ating y prime is equal to x squared plus 4x over y squared. So, yun po yung ating final answer. Number 3, find dy dx of an implicit function x cubed plus y cubed equals 12xy. Okay? So, derivative ng x cubed ay 3x squared. Derivative ng y cubed ay 3y squared y prime equals 12 times derivative ng x, okay? Times x times derivative ng y, and that is y prime, plus 12 times y times the derivative ng x, which is 1. Ito na po ang naging resulta. So, we have now, yung like terms, i-combine natin. So, we have 3y squared y prime. Tapos itong 12x y prime, lipat natin sa kabila, maging negative 12x y prime. Tapos, itong 12y, tapos itong 3x squared, lipat natin dito sa kanan. So, naging negative 3x squared. Okay? So, next, ang gagawin natin ay factor out natin. So, that is 3y prime times y squared minus 4x equals 12y minus 3x squared. So, divide natin both side by 3 times y squared minus 4x. Ito yon, 3 times y squared minus 4x. Tapos, itong 12y minus 3x squared, pa-factor out natin. So, you have 3 times 4y minus x squared. Okay, again, makancel natin yung 3. Okay, makancel po natin yung 3. Kaya, ang mangyayari ay dy dx equals 4y minus x squared over y squared minus 4x. So, that is our final answer for number 3. Okay, so number 4, find dy dx of x cubed y plus y cubed equals 8. So, again, the derivative ng x cubed y. So, this is a product rule. So, you have x cubed times derivative ng y o y prime plus we have y times the derivative ng x cubed, which is 3x squared. So, 3x squared y plus derivative ng y cubed. So, that is 3y squared y prime equals 0 since derivative ng 8 ay 0. Tapos, combine natin yung may y prime. So, x cubed y prime plus 3y squared y prime equals negative 3x squared y. Kasi ito, ililipat natin sa kabilang side. Kaya naging negative 3x squared y. No? Then, factor natin si y prime. So, y prime equals x cubed plus 3y squared equals negative 3x squared y. Okay, so we have y prime equals 3x squared y over x cubed plus 3y squared. So, that's our final answer. Negative 3x squared y over x cubed plus 3y squared. So, that is our final answer for number 4. Okay, this is your activity to answer. Find dy dx of the following implicit functions. Okay? So, mayroon po tayong 8 problems. Thank you very much for listening and watching in this YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this YouTube channel, Matuto Dapat, sapagkat ang kaalaman ay isang mahalagang kayamanan na dapat nating ingatan at pagyamanin. Muli, this is Engineer Eduardo Tapia, your professor. Maraming salamat and God bless you.